Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can force restart Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, what we need to do is press and hold the power button and the volume down button for approximately 7 or 10 seconds. So press and hold it, there we go. And now do not release these buttons until the screen turns dark. Alright, now we can release both of these buttons. And now you need to simply wait for the device to start up. You don't have to press and hold the power button. You don't have to do anything. It might take like 15-30 seconds to turn it back on, but eventually it will turn back on. There we go. As you can see, we have now the Samsung Galaxy logo, so the device is starting up again. And this is how we can force restart Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!